On the last turbo price prediction, I gave you shorts. I said I'm short biased and I'll start taking longs right here. We did take our longs and we got a really nice push, sweeping these highs right here where we had a lot of shorts having their stop losses. Shorts, they didn't manage to take profit where we did, because we were looking at the on-day data and on-chain data. For us, it was not that hard to make the decision. But the question is, what is going to happen now? I will not waste a second of your time. Let's start. This video is no financial advice. First of all, we are in a continuation pattern, which is not very good. Normally, these continuation patterns like this, basically, go up and down and then continue to the downside. So this is not good. Normally, when you have these, if this does not hold, we're gonna go to the downside. So I'm very much short biased on the daily chart. What I would be looking for is a dump right here. But this is only on the daily chart. What is stopping this move from happening? So when we go to check the liquidations on the weekly, we want to see that where most of the liquidations, like first of all, we wicked out 59k worth of trades right here, and on the 30 minutes right here, we wicked out a bunch of short liquidations. So when we wicked those, we started entering, I mean, we didn't, but we started entering short right here. The market bought of this. That's why we have these wicks. So the question is, what is going to happen now? So here are a few scenarios that I'm looking for. First of all, an important level, here are a few important levels, are these wicks right here, where we have a good amount of liquidations on the long side that have stop losses here and here. So what we really want to be looking for is potentially shorting here into one of these levels, and then switching to longs to buy up the dip. And when we liquidate the longs, we can then go long and look for shorts on the upside above these highs. So this is basically how I'm going to play turbo out. If you want to follow my trades, 275 grand. Now it was 262 weeks ago. On VOOX, if you want to find them, follow the meme coin trades. They're exclusively for the Signals chat, which I have a link for in the description down below. Also, if you're trading futures weeks, you can claim 20% deposit bonus right now. It's very easy. I'll have links for the description down below. $10 to $100 coupon. Link your phone number and get it. It's very, very easy. And also in the description, I'll have a link to my course, which I will be doing a discount on right now. See you next video.